where does the sexual stuff, the sexual comedy come into it?
Yeah, that's a great question. Look, as a bisexual woman, it's very easy to draw on your sexual experiences with men because it's really low hanging fruit. And I very
Good point.
yeah, I very rarely talk about sexual experiences with women on stage because they're just pleasant and no one really wants to hear about how good it was, you know. But I think I realized probably when I started doing stand up that essentially I am a storyteller comedian and I draw on things from my life. There's so many different types of comedians, and storytellers are always the ones that I've enjoyed watching. And I think as well, the easiest, best place for me is drawing on my own experiences. And I just have really crazy experiences.